If your Xfinity Remote is not switching channels, the issue is usually caused by a few common problems that are easy to fix. Start by checking the batteries, since weak or incorrectly placed batteries are the most frequent reason remotes stop responding. Replace them with fresh ones, and make sure they are inserted correctly. When you press a button, a small light should flash showing the remote has power. Next, make sure nothing is blocking the signal between the remote and your Xfinity TV box. Objects placed in front of the box can interrupt the infrared signal and prevent channel changes. If the remote still doesn't work, it may have lost its pairing connection with the Xfinity box, which can happen after battery replacement or a power outage. Check your remote model first. For XR15 remotes, hold the Xfinity and info buttons together until the light turns green, then follow the pairing code shown on the screen. For XR11 models, hold the setup button, press Xfinity, and complete the on-screen steps. If pairing fails, perform a reset by entering 981 using the correct button combination for your model. You can also temporarily control your TV using the Xfinity mobile app or contact support if the problem continues.